What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. Today I got a couple of things I gotta do. I will be keeping y'all updated. We will be going to the dealership, and I will be giving this a car wash today. And as you can read the title, yeah man, I got some stuff I want to tell y'all, man. They messed up, man, so we'll be back to give y'all some more updates. All right, YouTube, we finna go ahead and head to the dealership. Me and my bruh, I don't want to spoil what we looking at. You know what I'm saying? A little something. But we heading out right now. When I get back, I got some stuff I'm gonna install. As y'all see on the title, like I said, they messed up, but we gonna make it work. I got a video shoot tomorrow. I gotta call him back, see what he got going on. But we supposed to shoot tomorrow, so hopefully I got a vlog on that. And I'm gonna give y'all some POVs. If the highway is clear, I will do some quick pulls. But other than that, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get on the highway. Line them up. Well, I don't know what he is, a little GT. I can't do it, fuck. I was finna do it. He gonna do that when we get up under here. Don't do that when we get up under here, bro. Yeah, nigga. I can do it back too, nigga. What you talking about? Get on through there. Yeah, I had to do that one for y'all, chat. Somebody just tried to beef up on me. We got a little free on the highway a little bit. Still on the way to the dealership, man. I'm gonna really show y'all when we get there and talk a little bit more, cause we finna run into traffic. He said riding a little car.
Yeah.
Let me get over.
Like, he kind of liked that car, but he kind of, I think he really is missing his truck.
Yeah, we pulling up here right here too.
Turn right, then turn right.
Well, we can't pull in right here. Oh, okay, it's right here.
So it really is a dealership. There's no cars.
Okay.
I thought that was only a website.
Turn right, then the destination is on your left.
Oh, they got some Maseratis.
See what I'm saying?
Okay.
Turn right onto South Cobb Drive Southeast. Then turn right.
See what, yeah, they got the drop top Mustang. Let me turn this off.
2 drop top Mustangs.
They got the Range Rover.
They all use shit. They still looking nice.
Where we park at, over here?
Shit, I guess.
Shit, let me go swing around. We might can
Go around to the front of the building.
Got a Benz. Got them Benzos over here. That's that regular Challenger.
Yeah, it's ordinary.
Okay, we got some Maseratis. Got a Tesla.
Jaguar.
What we got? There go your Hemi, Jay.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, but they done waxed them up and everything. Okay. We gonna go ahead and park right over here then, bro. Let me turn around. Turn this bitch around, man.
I don't know why I always try to see if it'll fit in there.
That bit hard too. Ooh.
It look nice. That front look kind of ordinary.
I ain't gonna lie to you though. They should have made some good parking. I'm gonna go ahead and let you get out. I'm gonna park
right next to one of that shits.
Yeah, I'm gonna park.
Taking this with me. I'm gonna toss this out.
Alright. Yeah, I'm finna come in there. I'm finna go see where the hell I can park at. Yeah, chat, we at the dealership. I don't know exactly where we at. This nigga here so dirty. I told y'all I don't like that shit. Let me go ahead and see where I could park at, chat. I'm finna park by one of they shit for sure. You got me fucked up. Shit, my shit looking better than a lot of they shit they got up here. Park right here on the ass. Right by the benzo. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's going on. Oh, I told y'all later on I got some more installments I'ma do. That shit really got me mad though, man. I'm supposed to got this right here. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's going on with bro. They got some Mustangs out here. They don't got too much. You got some regular Challengers. You got a Porsche. Nothing too major out here. I think my brother going for that Hemi right there. Oh, you finna test drive?
Yeah.
Oh, let's do it.
Do that shit quick.
Oh yeah, my boy finna test drive. Let's go ahead and lock the scat. You got the cold start? Cold started. Let me see. We gotta get the cold start on YouTube. Okay. Got the good RT. Let's see what they got going on, bro.
It was looking a little better online.
You do a good little go around, huh? Good little go around right quick. Couple of scratches right there. What year you said it is? 14. We got the 14 RT right here, chat. At least they got your wheels clean. Yeah, we got the Hemi. Y'all see what's going on. Bro finna go for a spin right quick. It sound good.
Well, what's the name? He can take care of that though.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure that. Unk bus can hit all this. It look like somebody tried to paint it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody just tried to paint it. Unk bus can most definitely some of that. What they talking about? The trunk. Yeah, you got a spell. Couple of scratches. Like somebody tried.
Oh yeah, somebody tried to repaint that.
Yeah, repaint the bumper. They tried to throw a couple little paints on it, but you know it ain't brand new, so.
17,000.
It's the 5.7, bro.
Oh, it's the engine.
Yeah, it's the engine. Let's see what they're talking about. Dang, they could have cleaned the inside.
They said that they detailed it, but you know how it is.
Yeah.
They got a good little bit of gas in this motherfucker though.
See how that bit running. You gonna take the lock off? Take the lock off. You got the lock off? The window lock? Oh yeah, there you go.
I think the car wasn't even started off.
Okay. See this right here? Just only thing I seen so far is just a couple of scratches in that.
It's still working.
Oh, Bob, I'm finna say what the heck?
Oh, that shit just scared the shit out of me.
Oh. Let's go for a drive. That's the only what we finna know. Gotta hook you up with the taser.
Okay, so I can control the gears.
Oh yeah. Look at this snatch.
Yeah, because I really ain't even press the gas yet.
This big snatch.
I was tapping to see if it do the noise.
We finna see right here. how many miles it say?
79. 79,425.
How the steering feel?
Oh, it's an eco. Steering is smooth.
What was that? Screen on.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah. I'm saying, yeah, I was just gonna say this. It don't give a good clean sound.
And it just revved up like a puppy.
That what was? Oh, you didn't just do that?
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, I was gonna say that bitch just
I
got.
didn't think that I could.
That bitch
I
just got.
should go this way.
Yeah, that bitch just got right.
Think that was good enough?
Nah, hell nah. Do some like do when you turn around right here. Yeah. How you feel to do it? Cause you know.
As far as the steering.
Yeah, I would say okay. It's quick turn, good steering. You ain't too much worried about the body, is you? Okay, steering good. It don't feel like it need an alignment or nothing, right? It look like it going straight.
It's that screaming that I guess I just ain't used to that.
Yeah, you ain't used to the hemi screen.
So that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's a hemi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just gotta get used to the way it drives. So they've been driving this shit around clearly for 11,000 miles. Because it was on 68 online, which means that either that or somebody else had bought it and had to bring it back because it don't look as clean as it did online either.
You can look at the seats and most definitely.
This shit got a CD player.
CD player.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, you said it's an eco?
Well, not right now. It was when I was driving. You go green right here.
Damn, what y'all think, chat? Think my brush should get it? Okay. Yeah, hit that bit. See what they're talking about right there. Like, I felt like, my honest opinion, I haven't too much road in a Hemi. It sound good, but I know it can be cleaner.
That shit, I could grab this fresh oil.
Yeah, that's something you can do. You know, get it up through there.
But then, yeah.
It's like, do you want to go ahead?
I should have to do all of that.
Yeah, exactly. Or you want to look at something else. You know what I'm saying? Your choice. But it is good for the buck.
I don't remember how far up we rode.
Oh yeah, you gotta keep going. You said what, 5.0 Mustang? Yeah. I be dusting on 5.0. They got the Audi, boy. I remember I used to like Audis, man. Audis used to be my shit.
I did for like a year.
Yeah, Audis used to be my shit, bro. What year is this? Oh, this is 2016. Yeah.
That shit like a real.
Oh, what we got? We got the RT Challenger. Okay. Oh, bro, they got the green. They got the green goods. They the old one too, boy. Old ass RT.
2014.
This right here, 2014. Yeah, bro, they been old as hell, boy. Look at the rim. See, around these, oh yeah, around this time, bro, I did not like Dodge. I mean, they wasn't that far to me yet. I felt like they didn't get my attention. They didn't get my attention in like 2020, 2019. That's when they started making them hard ass models, hard grills and shit.
With the hail damage.
I'm finna go look at these Maseratis. These Maserati, no matter what year these bitches is, these shits look good. I mean, the rims dirty. Yeah, these bitches look good. They still got paper on the floor. I already know these bitches good. Nigga ain't coming buying no Maserati every day. Yeah, that bit hard. Different colors too.
Look at this shit. Yeah.
This bit been sitting here so long, the rims getting rusty. Got the Jaguar. Yeah, I used to like the Jaguars too. Yeah, man, so I just want to show y'all what they had up here, man. Not too much, but I will hit y'all back when we get back on the house. Get back to the house, cause my shit is going dead. I'm gonna install my new packages. And I used to like the BMW color too. I'm gonna install some more packages and I'm gonna wash my damn car.